last week we did an exercise where our partner gives us a feed, and then we tune the feeling of the energy, and we just come underneath the feed. And we did the second was he has tension, there's tension in his body, but he doesn't feed. And then we produced the sung to pick our partner up off that. And then the third was he goes empty, and he goes as loose as he can while holding his arms up. And then we go sung underneath that. And then we move from there to an inch or so off the body, and then produce the energy, so we're moving towards empty force. So we have feed, tension line, no tension line, empty force, no touch essentially. And that line from the no tension to empty force, you take that feeling and you put it back onto the feed. So when he comes into feed, I've got to maintain that empty force quality, then tension line, and then no tension line, and then no touch. And that's your calibration for your next issue with feed. And you keep looping backwards and forwards until every time your partner feeds, it's the same feeling as empty force. So you're touching or not touching, you're inside of the field, whether you're training sung or training a particular jin, a particular intrinsic energy, doesn't matter. It's the same empty force feeling quality. The benefit of this is it amplifies healing skills, meditation skills, all the mental qualities get really strong. You get a really strong mind force. The negative side is you don't build any fascia, and the conductive pathways through your physical body aren't being stimulated. That's why we do that hour in the morning of just pure fascia work, where you're loading in all those awkward positions and unloading and bouncing with intention to stimulate more fascia. This model takes you to the pinnacle for healing, meditation skill, all the hermetic exercise just sync up and become easy. And it's really the pinnacle of the whole Qigong world, this empty force skills when it comes to demonstrating something. So don't forget to do your base work where you're doing the vital pressures, the astral pressures. But then this one gives you a skill that's mental, that allows you to affect a field, a classroom, a large space, and so forth. And it's the most important for the hermetic training process. So what you can do is when your partner feeds you, just do the 1, 2, 3, 4, and then for all the future feeds, stick with the feeling in number 4 when he's feeding number 1. And if you start losing the feeling, move through the vibrational scale again, so you keep that empty force feeling as a theme. It's really important as a theme inside your body. Even if you're doing fascia training, your body wants to feel empty, and you get a lot of benefits from that. Okay, partner up, keep going.